Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok video longer than 60 seconds. That's very simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first you're gonna do, you need to open up TikTok application. Here we got a bunch of different videos and all we need to tap on this plus icon, and here we got some options to create our own video, and right about the record we see 15 seconds duration, 60 second and 3-minute duration of your video. And now you can hold this button to make your own video up to 3 minutes long, or you can just tap on this upload button, upload icon, to upload video from your library. Make sure this video is not longer than 3 minutes, because if you will select video longer than 3 minutes, it will be cut off to 3 minutes exactly. If your video is less than 3 minutes long, so not problem, just tap here, tap next, and now you can edit this video and share it in your TikTok profile. So make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.